Bob's Vlog. Start date number 15. Okay, anyway. I know, dorky Star Trek humor. Anyway. I already I had on my homework a little bit, so I'm always happy about that. Doing the research for these people and stuff like that to get a little bit ahead is always nice. So I'm trying to keep up on that. And figuring out the situation on the camera, because there's an Sena Evo that I've been looking at, and I was looking at some reviews, and it's a camera and everything built into one, but it also records the audio real easily off of that headset, and then anybody else that has the Bluetooth headset, and incorporates it in the video. So I may get that first because I want to get a Bluetooth headset anyway. It'll give me the camera, and then I can get a, probably a good deal on a Hero 8, maybe even used or whatever when the Hero 9s come out, or something like that. But I'm thinking about that, and then it'll be easier for me to use the audio from that and match it up with the GoPro audio later, and then I can keep the GoPro all closed up in a case and keep that waterproof too, because this one, the Sena one, I can use and not have to worry about that. So that's why I'm looking at going that route first, just as a thought process. But that's what I like to do is, and that's why I don't mind it taking a while till I find the scooter, until I get the camera and stuff like that, because it gives me an opportunity just to see, all the different opinions. Because yes, I'm going to get the GoPro because that'll be the better picture, but since I want to get a Bluetooth headset anyway, and it'll give me an option to use and incorporate the audio a lot easier into the video with the GoPro part, I may go that way first. We'll see what we'll see what happens in the next few months till I have to buy one, because the scooter, bike, whatever, is gonna be before the camera part of it. So we will see. We will see. But that's what I've been thinking about, besides homework stuff, is figuring out the exact way I want to do things, and it's a thought process, but I think it's going to be very entertaining. And by the way, thank you for everybody that responded, either that they didn't listen to the podcast or where they did. It's getting on more places, and it's on Apple now, so that part's doing really well. And it was fun talking to John from RV Traveling MIA Researcher. If you haven't, go check out his channel. And he does really, really good things for, families to help bring closure, and it's a really good thing that he does as well. So that was, an enjoyable interview to have him, and with Nettie, Nettie, living free zip codeless, Nettie with me on Saturdays, is always a good time. So I'm obviously doing this one after. I kind of want to see what time of day is a little bit better to record these on my end and then release them, because I'm usually just uploading and sending these up right now, because I'm keeping them so short and trying to work on, which I have to do in the live stream too, but trying to work on not using so many ums. So if I force myself to do something like a vlog without doing that, it makes it a lot better, so I don't have to sit and cut out vlogs either. So that's what I'm working on. But I'm gonna get this one up there, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stop waiting for life to happen and make it happen. Later, guys.